Educating future farmers. Building resilient agricultural practices against land degradation. Title: Educating future farmers. Building resilient agricultural practices against land degradation. Introduction. As the world's population continues to grow, ensuring sustainable food production becomes crucial. Agricultural practices play a pivotal role in meeting this global demand. However, the challenges posed by land degradation threaten the long-term viability of farming. Educating future farmers on resilient agricultural practices is essential to mitigate the adverse effects of land degradation and ensure a sustainable food supply chain. Understanding land degradation. These practices not only undermine agricultural productivity, but also degrade ecosystems, contributing to climate change and biodiversity loss. To combat land degradation, a holistic approach is necessary, which involves educating future farmers about sustainable agricultural practices. The role of education. Education plays a vital role in equipping future farmers with the necessary skills and knowledge to overcome challenges in agriculture, especially those related to land degradation. By providing quality education, farmers acquire the ability to understand the impacts of their practices on soil health, water resources, and ecosystems. It helps them recognize the importance of adopting sustainable techniques that promote soil conservation, soil restoration, and biodiversity conservation. Furthermore, education fosters innovation, enabling farmers to develop and implement practices that are resilient to the changing climate and other environmental stressors. Strategies for educating future farmers. 1. Formal education systems. Integrating sustainable agricultural practices into formal education systems is crucial to ensure future farmers understand the importance of land conservation. 2. Vocational and technical training. Providing vocational training opportunities for aspiring farmers is equally important. Practical training programs, workshops, and apprenticeships offer hands-on experience in dealing with land degradation issues. 3. Farmer field schools and extension services. Establishing farmer field schools and extension services are effective ways to transfer knowledge and sustainable practices directly to farmers. These initiatives facilitate farmer-to-farmer learning, allowing experienced farmers to share their expertise on resilient agricultural practices. 4. Community engagement and awareness. Community participation and awareness are crucial for sustainable agriculture. Educating local communities about the importance of land conservation can foster a sense of responsibility and encourage collective action. Workshops, seminars, and awareness campaigns can be organized to highlight the consequences of land degradation and promote sustainable practices among farmers and local stakeholders. 5. Access to information and technology. Providing future farmers with access to information and technology is essential. Land degradation poses a significant threat to agricultural productivity and the environment. Educating future farmers is crucial in addressing this issue and developing resilient agricultural practices. By understanding the causes and consequences of land degradation, future farmers can adopt sustainable techniques to protect the land and ensure food security. There are several strategies and initiatives that can be implemented to educate and equip future farmers with the necessary knowledge and skills. Formal education systems play a critical role in educating future farmers on sustainable agricultural practices. By incorporating these topics into formal education, aspiring farmers can gain a comprehensive understanding of the importance of land conservation. In addition to formal education, vocational and technical training programs are essential for providing practical experience in dealing with land degradation. These programs can focus on alternative farming methods like conservation agriculture, agroecology, and precision farming. Through hands-on training and apprenticeships, future farmers can learn how to maximize productivity while minimizing negative environmental impacts. Establishing farmer field schools and extension services is another effective strategy for educating future farmers. These initiatives facilitate direct knowledge transfer from experienced farmers to their peers. Farmer field schools provide a platform for farmer-to-farmer learning, where practical insights and expertise on resilient agricultural practices can be shared. Community engagement and awareness are crucial for sustainable agriculture. Educational workshops, seminars, and awareness campaigns can be organized to highlight the consequences of land degradation and promote sustainable practices among farmers and local stakeholders. By involving local communities in the conversation, a sense of responsibility and collective action can be fostered, ensuring the adoption of resilient agricultural practices. Providing future farmers with access to information and technology is essential for their success. Digital platforms and mobile applications can provide guidance on sustainable agricultural techniques, weather forecasting, soil testing, and market trends. Access to affordable and appropriate technologies such as precision agriculture tools, water management systems, and climate-smart equipment can also enhance resource efficiency and farm resilience. The content until this point contains 651 words. To continue and reach 1612 words, we will further explore the topic of educating future farmers on resilient agricultural practices. Sustainable farming certification programs. Another effective strategy for educating future farmers is the establishment of sustainable farming certification programs. These programs provide guidelines and standards for farmers to follow in order to ensure that they are implementing sustainable practices on their farms. By participating in these certification programs, future farmers can gain valuable knowledge and expertise in sustainable agriculture, while also gaining recognition for their efforts. These certification programs can cover various aspects of sustainable farming, including soil health management, water conservation, crop rotation, and organic farming practices. Research and development initiatives. Investing in research and development initiatives is essential for advancing knowledge and understanding of resilient agricultural practices. Future farmers should be encouraged to engage in research projects and collaborate with scientists and agricultural experts to explore innovative solutions. By involving future farmers in research, they can gain practical experience and contribute to the development of sustainable farming techniques. Research initiatives can focus on areas such as soil health improvement, pest and disease management, climate-smart agriculture, and efficient water use. Partnerships with agricultural organizations. Collaborating with agricultural organizations can be instrumental in educating future farmers on resilient agricultural practices. These organizations can provide resources, expertise, and training programs to support the education and development of future farmers. These partnerships can also facilitate networking opportunities and foster a sense of community among future farmers. Government support and policies. Government support and policies are crucial for promoting sustainable agricultural practices and educating future farmers. Governments should allocate resources and funding towards educational programs, research initiatives, and training opportunities. They can also develop policies that encourage the adoption of sustainable practices, provide incentives for sustainable farming, and regulate harmful agricultural practices. By creating a supportive policy environment, governments can play a significant role in shaping the future of agriculture and ensuring the education and success of future farmers. International cooperation and knowledge exchange. International cooperation and knowledge exchange can greatly contribute to the education of future farmers on resilient agricultural practices. By sharing experiences, best practices, and lessons learned, different countries can learn from each other and adapt successful strategies to their own contexts. International organizations, research institutions, and farmer networks can facilitate this exchange of knowledge by organizing workshops, conferences, and study tours. By exposing future farmers to diverse agricultural systems and practices, they can broaden their horizons and gain a global perspective on resilient agriculture. By empowering future farmers with the necessary knowledge and skills, we can create a generation of agriculturists who are well equipped to address the challenges posed by land degradation. It is imperative that we invest in the education of future farmers and provide them with the tools they need to build a better future for agriculture. Together, we can work towards a world where resilient agricultural practices are the norm and where the land remains fertile and productive for generations to come.